Hello students, our subject for today is English and our topic for today is talking about things part 2. Open your textbook, page number 12. Students, today we will be learn prepositions. What is the preposition? Preposition म्हणजे काय? Preposition give us additional information about noun and pronoun. नाम आणि सर्वनाम यांच्याविषयी अधिकची माहिती देणारे शब्द किंवा नाम आणि सर्वनाम यांचे वाक्यातील इतर शब्दांशी असलेले नाते प्रेपोजिशनद्वारे दर्शवले जातात. आता आपण जे शिकणार आहोत आज ते प्रेपोजिशन इन इंग्लिश ऑफ प्लेस. म्हणजेच काय मुलांनो, बघा, वेअर थिंग्स अँड पीपल आर, वस्तू आणि व्यक्ती, वस्तू किंवा व्यक्ती कुठे आहेत हे दर्शवणारे शब्द आज आपण शिकणार आहोत. सो स्टुडंट, बी रेडी अँड लेट्स स्टार्ट. Let's start with the word in. Look at the picture, students. What do you see in this picture? The mouse is in the hat. In म्हणजे मध्ये. The one more example is, look here. There is a glass of water. There is water in the glass. In मध्ये. The next word is on. Look at the picture. The mouse is on the hat. On. Were. On the hat. The more example. Look here. A book is on the table. On. On the table. वरती. वर आहे. And the third one is under. Look at the picture. The mouse is under the hat. The mouse is under the hat. त्या खाली आहे. And the more example. Look here. There is a cat under the table. Under the table. टेबलाच्या खाली आहे. The next word is near. Look here. What do you see in this picture? The mouse is near the hat. Near. Near म्हणजे बाजूला, जवळ. See one more example. The girl is near the teddy bear. म्हणजेच काय मुलांनो, मुलगी टेडी बेअरच्या जवळ किंवा बाजूला उभी आहे. In front of. In front of. Look at the picture. The mouse is in front of the hat. The mouse is in front of the hat. In front of च्या समोर असणे. Look here. A teacher is in front of the class. वर्गात समोर टीचर उभी आहे. The teacher is in front of the class. And next word is behind. Look here. The mouse is behind the hat. Behind, मागे. One more example is, look here. The boy is behind the books. मुलगा पुस्तकांच्या मागे आहे. The boy is behind the books. Dear students, there are 4 pictures in our textbook. We have activity. Look at the pictures and frame at least 3 sentences for each of these words. Dear students, we have learned about the preposition in English of place. आपण आता वस्तूंची जागा, वस्तूंची किंवा व्यक्तींची जागा दर्शवणारे, ती कुठे आहे हे सांगणारे शब्द यांचा आता आपण अभ्यास केला. या शब्दांचा वापर करून चित्राचे निरीक्षण करून आपल्याला वाक्य तयार करायचे. ते शब्द कोणते आहेत? चला आपण उजळणी करूया. इन, ऑन, अंडर, नियर, इन फ्रंट ऑफ, बिहाइंड. Look at this picture. There is a greengrocer, umbrella, mat, basket of tomatoes, and pumpkin. Now students, let's frame the sentences. There are tomatoes in the basket. The basket of tomatoes is on the mat. The greengrocer is under the umbrella. There is a pumpkin near the basket of tomatoes. The greengrocer is behind the basket of tomatoes. There is a basket of tomatoes in front of the greengrocer. Students, look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Mountain, sun, tree, cow, a boy, house, a car, girl on the slide. So students, let's go to make sentences. There is a boy in the house. There is a girl on the slide. The cow is under the tree. The tree is near the house. The sun is behind the mountain. There is a car in front of the house. Students, we have another picture in our textbook. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? A clock, book, spectacles, ruler, pencil box and pencil. So students, let's start to make sentences. There is a pencil in the pencil box. There is a ruler in the book. The spectacles are on the book. The pencil box is near the book. The clock is behind the book. And the last one is the book is in front of the clock. Now student, look here. What do you see in this picture? A fish tank, doll, cat, stones, fishes and plant. So students, let's make the sentences. There are fishes in the fish tank. There are stones in the fish tank. There is a plant near the stones. The doll is on the fish tank. There is a cat in front of the fish tank. The tortoise is under the stone. There is a white fish behind the stone. Now students, there is one activity for you. Look at the pictures and frame one sentence for each. चित्र पहा आणि त्या चित्रासाठी एक वाक्य तयार करा.